back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we're going to be making an identity map. We are going to be thinking of two different things today. One is different types of landforms. An example of a landform would be a mountain, a river, a lake, plains, an island, a volcano. So we are going to be choosing some landforms to create a map of an imaginary place, but that's reflective of us. So the second thing we're going to be thinking of today are parts of our identity. Okay, so we're going to be thinking of maybe things that we like, things that we enjoy doing, what are our interests, do you have a pet, do you have a favorite food? These are all going to come together to create your identity map, which will be unique to you. So you can use mine as a guide to give you some ideas, but please know you can choose different landforms for your map. You can also choose different identifying parts of you because you and I are not the same person. You have different parts of your identity. We all do, and that's what makes us special. So today we're going to be using watercolor paper, pencil, a Sharpie, and watercolors. So go ahead and grab all of your materials and let's get started. everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.